Fantasy sports betting with positive expected value plays is about long-term results, not short-term wins. So how long should you actually stick with it before expecting returns? Positive expected value means your slips have a positive edge, but variance is always in play. You might win 2 in a row or lose 5 straight, and both are completely normal. The edge only shows itself when you give it enough volume. Think of it like investing. You wouldn't expect the stock market to pay off after 2 trades. Instead, you measure success after months or even a full season. With DigiFantasy's Optimizer, Fantasy Scores, and DFS Middling tool, your edge compounds over time. The more disciplined sleeps you place, the more the math works in your favor. If you're ready to play with patience and discipline, start using DigiFantasy today. I've linked the sign up page in the description. Join now and start building long term profit the smart way.